Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about the Windows 11 ISO and from where you can download it. So just go head over to the Microsoft.com, and once you're in Microsoft.com you just want to head over to software download right over here. And once you're in software download, all you got to do is press on Windows 11. And once you press on Windows 11 over here, you can either download the 11 installation assistant. So this is just directly gonna install it, like you download it and then you install it right away. And then you can also download the disk image, or you can download this Windows 11 installation media. From here you can use this to create a bootable USB or not. So let's just talk about the ISO for today. So over here, as you can see, it's gonna be the multi-edition ISO. Why should you be using an ISO? In my this is my take on it. An ISO is the simplest and the best way to store a Windows 11 image, because you can install it on multiple PCs without having to download it over and over and over again. So yeah, all you gotta do is press on download, and that's gonna be it. Choose the language and then just confirm it, and you should have the download. So let's just choose English, and all you gotta do is press on confirm, and that's about it. Press on the 64-bit download, and done. Now obviously I'm not gonna download it, but if I were to download it, this would be it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.